Okay, there's the setup right there. There you go. Nice and tight. That's how to grab that ratchet. Just like that. There's your 65 pounds. And that's what that setup looks like right there. All right, if you're working on a 7.3 and you're trying to get that rear bolt off, it took everything in the book and 35 years of experience to get that thing off of there. You might know a better way, but this video is going to show. I would have been able to film this maybe from far away. You can see in the back, there's that ratchet. All right, so I cut the wrench. I'm gonna try something. That ratchet right there, the other half of it's right here, I cut it off. It was hitting the firewall up on top. So I took that open end wrench, thickest one I had in diameter, which was tough, and I put it on the top of that, and then it leverage over to this pipe wrench. And after probably about an hour and trying everything in the book, I braced that up and got the leverage on that to actually turn it, and it cracked and broke off. So if you are trying to remove your rear bolt, you can look at this setup right here and you can get it. The other side came off easily, this side didn't. It took a lot of leverage to be able to get that off in the position that it's in. So good luck with your rear drain plug. That's what it took me. I never said this is easy. Okay, there's the setup right there. There you go. Nice and tight. That's how to grab that ratchet. Just like that. There's your 65 pounds. And that's what that setup looks like right there. There you go. That's the old setup for the rear plug. Big, huge pipe wrench. And a big round end wrench with a really thick wrench. And then that stubby in the back, and you got it. She's torqued down. Don't forget the paper towels in the back. You're going to drop your ratchet about 100 times. Got it though.